Okay guys, I'm here today at the Avari Hotel and we're having fun today. I guys tell you one thing. This is probably the best hotel in Pakistan. You know why I say that? It's in Karachi. It's not Murray or Islamabad or Naran Karan. But I tell you, the Karachi has its own weather. We're sitting in summer right out at the pool underneath the tree shade, and it's just great temperature. Nice, cool breeze. Nothing but fun, you know. Look, nice, cool breeze going on from the Arabian Sea right behind me. This is the hotel pool. And also guys, the staff is very good here. If you know how to hotel in Pakistan, if you know how to communicate properly, you will get the right services in this hotel. Ciao. Have fun. This is the elevator, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe my channel, please. This is the lobby. This is our room. This is the Avari Hotel, gentlemen. We are at Avari Hotel, Karachi, and this is our room. And gonna give you a little bit of a room view. This is the suite. This is on 16th floor, and this is the suite part. Okay, this is the kind of a snack water window, or snack rack, whatever you want. There's a tea in there, coffee, dried milk, there's water, Marie Brewery water, that's what I like, and there's some cupcakes, some dry fruits, and some potato chips, and that's for the hot water. Alright guys, this is the refrigerator, what they call a mini bar, but it's not really a bar. It has M&M's, Toblerone chocolates, and juices, Red Bull, Coke, Sprite, and Fanta, and some kind of a soda. Okay, this is Avari Hotel, Karachi, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe my channel. This is the emergency escape plan. There's two TVs, TV 1, complimentary fruit basket, mangoes. We had a banana, we ate the banana, cookies. This is the extra bed for me. Oh, the view is excellent, man. Look at the view outside. One of the best views of Karachi. Guys, this is my extra bed. Nice mirror. And after dressing up, you can look at yourself. Okay, now the room. This is the room. Bed. Bedside table. Telephone, remote control, the TV. And this is the second TV, and kind of a writing table. You can do your office work if required. And further up, white marble bathroom. That's what I like about this hotel. The toilet is excellent. Probably the best. the jacuzzi slash tub. WC. We got comb, shaving kit, sewing kit, shampoo, and probably hair softener. The soap. And this is the shower. Beautiful shower. It has a massage thingy and the water comes from every side and it's very tickly. More shampoo, more soap. Okay, there's another window. You can see the view from the same window. All right, guys, let's check out the Avari Hotel Karachi food menu. I like little spicy, mild spicy, very spicy symbols. 3 pepper. Okay, this is the breakfast menu, gentlemen. They have a complimentary buffet breakfast every morning. But if you want to order breakfast in your room, you can do that. All day breakfast, served 24 hours, continental. Your choice of beverages, coffee, tea, herbal tea, fruit, infusions, or hot chocolate. Your choice of freshly squeezed juice, seasonal, orange, grapefruit, pineapple, watermelon, mango. Cold cereal, I don't know what that is, Berkshire Muesli, who knows. Seasonal fish, fresh fruits, your choice of flaky croissants, muffin, Danish pastry, donuts, toast, served with fruit preserves, unsalted butter, and honey. Breakfast served from 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. English. Your choice of freshly squeezed juice, seasonal, same as above. 2 eggs cooked as per your liking, served with hash potatoes or hash browns rather, sauteed mushrooms and grilled tomatoes. I like hash browns, but if I'm 2 eggs and I'm in a restaurant like this, in a hotel, I would love to have country potatoes with it, you know. Okay. Grilled tomato, assorted bakeries, plain chocolate croissant, Danish soft and hard rolls, white, whole wheat or multigrain toast served with fruit preserves, honey, unsalted butters, seasonal fresh fruits, plain fruit or low-fat yogurt. Your choice of beverage, coffee, tea, herbal tea, fruit infusions, or hot chocolate. Okay, there's other options of breakfast also. You have 6:30 to 11 a.m. Pakistani breakfast, you know, parathas and all. And this is for the people who are worried about their weight and all kind of skim milk and stuff. All right, what is this here? Then again, a la carte, 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. All kind of stuff if you want that kind of breakfast. There's another breakfast a la carte with 2 eggs cooked and etc. And you can have omelette also if you want. Now you have the specialties here of some kind. Matar keema, naan bread, Pakistani food. Except you have waffles and chocolate and honey with, yeah, that's something not Pakistani. Cheese bread with water biscuits and grapes. I know what water biscuits are, but I know what water rolls are, or Chicago rolls. The starters, served 12 noon to 12 midnight, tiger prawns, Oakwood smoked salmon and tortilla wrap with capers, red pepper pesto, sour cream, world famous traditional Thai something, satay, chicken or beef Thai satay with peanut sauce, duck spring rolls with Thai sweet chili dressing, buffalo wings, smoked turkey, and what is this here? All prices are subject to applicable government taxes. You got salad served from 12 noon to 12 midnight, Arabic maize, I guess, chicken Caesar salad, colored caprese salad, rocket, and sun-dried tomatoes. Ooh, love sun-dried tomatoes. It's been a long time I had those. Okay, then you have from the soup kettle, cream, porcini mushroom soup, mulligatawny soup, soup of the day. Hey, I love my clam chowders, man. Add clam chowders. Manhattan or the white one, anyone, but add clam chowders. Clam chowder soup in winter is awesome. This is a nice picture here. Main course. Again, all is served from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Grilled half chicken American with honey, glazed seasonal vegetables. Cajun marinated supreme chicken with garden greens and whole grain mustard sauce. Mediterranean style grilled lamb chops. Grilled sirloin. Alright, that's your steaks and meats and chicken. Then what we have here is we have again, oh, this is good stuff. Main course 12 to 12 midnight. Grilled filet mignon, filet steak, honey, glazed vegetables with mushroom sauce and choice of potatoes. Avari mixed grill, which comes with combination of beef, rasher, sausages, mini steak, and fried egg served with French fries. Out from the net. I tell you one thing, guys. Avari Hotel and Beach Luxury Hotel, they're the same chain, and they have the best seafood in Pakistan. You know, if you go to Beach Luxury, they're another hotel in Karachi. They have this outdoor restaurant. It's called, I think it's called Kasbah. I don't know what it's called, maybe Kasbah or something like that. And they have lobsters, great lobsters, you know, tarmador, grilled lobsters and snappers, groupers, all kind of good stuff with crabs and all that. That's it. That was just an advice, okay? Out from the net, you have succulent fillet of red snapper on a bed of creamy mushroom sauce and garlic spinach. Aqua Delight, the ever popular fish and chips with lime and garden leaf served with French fries. Okay, guys. Main course again served from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Side orders, choice of one. French fries, spicy potatoes, onion rings, mashed or baked potatoes, sauteed onion, sauteed mushroom, grilled vegetables, some kind of rice, basmati rice. Alright, there's a lot of pages. There's a Pakistani corner, gentlemen, and before that it was called main course. Okay, now at the Pakistani corner, the Pakistani dishes. Okay, we have tandoori barbecue, murghum, I don't know what that is, malai boti, chalo kebab, classic Iranian charcoal delicacy served with saffron rice. Yeah, I want to try that. Bihari kebab, grilled prawn, tiliyadar, I don't know what that means. Marinated prawns in harissa paste with ginger, garlic, roasted chickpeas. This is flour with touch of fresh lime. Then you have tandoori fish tikkas, tandoori paneer tikkas, tandoori phool, broccoli, and cauliflower mixed grilled in clay oven, like for the vegetarian. You know, there's vegetarian stuff. Okay, here we have again curry corner. Murge shalimar, murge makhni, murge pasanda curry, fish jalfrezi, prawn masala. I had that last night. Prawn masala was awesome, guys. Great prawn masala. Today I probably will try the fish jalfrezi. Mutton karai, chicken handi. Again, now we go to biryani corner. Vegetable biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, dal mash, etc., etc., and vegetable of the day. Now the Chinese side is called the Dynasty Chinese Cuisine. Avari Hotel, Karachi, Pakistan. Please like, and subscribe my channel. I will appreciate it. Okay, here it is. What we got here? Chinese dynasty cuisine. Chicken sweet corn soup, chicken and spicy chicken, sweet and spicy chicken and pineapple salad, gongbo chicken with dry chili and cashew nuts, braised beef in black pepper sauce, wok fried prawns with chili and garlic sauce, stir-fried noodles, Cantonese fried rice with seafood, vegetable or egg fried rice. Okay, so Chinese. There you go, man. Fujiyama, the Japanese cuisine. Hey, you guys, man, some California rolls and sushi, man. Okay, what you got here? Fujiyama, Japanese cuisine. Fujiyama special from Sushi Bar. 6 kinds of sushis: tamago, yaki, tuna, crab stick, and red snapper. 6 kinds of sashimi, cuttlefish, salmon and prawn. Salmon and prawn. Probably salmon is something different than salmon. 1 piece of maki cut into 6 pieces. Gamoko sarada, iceberg lettuce extracta, yaki sakana batayaki, lamb chops teppanyaki, tori teriyaki, yaki udon. I don't know what all that is, but you know, I like eel. In Miami, there's a Japanese restaurant called Heroes on 163rd Street, and just kind of east of Biscayne on the left. They have good eel stuff in their restaurant. You know, they make good eel in a Japanese restaurant with tempuras also. Okay, burger, pizza, and pasta. All right, spot, shoot, Avari burger, touchdown, house special beef burger. Look at that. Avari burger, grilled chicken breast with cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions, and pickles on our baked sesame bun. Touchdown. Our classic Angus burger, 180 grams, finished with sauteed mushrooms, club sandwiches, vegetable faux sasia, cinnamon panani, Avari express panani. I don't know what that is. Okay. More pizzas, gentlemen, here. All kind of pizzas. Then you got, oh yeah, the pasta from Italy to Karachi. Yeah, Marco Polo or Vasco di Gama. One of these guys probably brought pasta here and took all the spices from here. Okay, you got chicken peri peri, smoked Solomon fettuccine, stir fry of penne pasta, whatever that is. Okay, no shrimp Alfredo. Late night menu. Gentlemen, love late night menus because I always eat late night, and that's what I look at. Starters: world famous traditional Thai satay, duck spring rolls, buffalo wings, salads, colored caprese salad, extra in soup and dal and all that. Then you have main course: fish jalfrezi, I don't know, murg makhni, mutton kadai, and etc. Sandwiches, Avari burger, French fries, and all kind of stuff. And then you have drinks, margaritas, vegetarian, whatever that is. It's not. It's a pizza called margarita. You know, it's not a drink. I thought it was some kind of a drink. Vegetarian pizza, barbecue chicken pizza, smoked salmon pizza, and stir fry of penne pasta. I know what that is. I already read these things before. Then you have kids special menu, Avari kids menu. Please like and subscribe. You got Mickey Mouse, sea turtle, sea treats, lion, fair, Pluto Pizza Soup Shop Kids Basket of Fries. Then you have, gentlemen, dessert. Creamy something something, bread of butter pudding, dark chocolate walnut brownies, tiramisu, fresh fruit salad, choice of ice cream, vanilla chocolate, mango, strawberry. All right. Beverages. Mocktails. It says virgin colada, but I'm pretty sure there's no alcohol in it. Fruit punch, pussyfoot, sportsman, mint lemon, blue margarita, lemonade, smoothies. Alright guys, there's no alcohol in these drinks in Pakistan, you know. They don't serve alcohol to Pakistanis or Muslims. So Muslims are discriminated in their own country now. Because if you ask them for a beer, they'll say, oh, you're Muslim, you cannot drink beer. You see? Discrimination of Muslims in a Muslim country. Alright guys, that's the end of the menu. Oh, there's something here. Cold beverages, you know, all that mineral water, orange, soft drinks, Coke, Fantas, hot tea, green tea, herbal tea, chocolate, all kind of stuff. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the menu. And here, these are tabs for the menu. Just go directly on the page. Okay, that's it for the Avari menu. We just ordered food for the kids and it's called Mickey Mouse something. I think probably nuggets and stuff. And now we're gonna order food for us, for me and my wife. Thank you. You have a great day. Like and subscribe my channel. And this is the part of visiting Avari Hotel, Karachi, Pakistan. Okay, gentlemen, this is my fish jalfrezi.
Yum yum. मर्जी है
अब और खाएंगे जी
Extra yummy.
Don't drop it on yourself. Come and sit here. Come.
Fish jalfrezi, gentlemen. At Avari Hotel, Karachi.
Ibrahim,
One of the best.
Khadija इसकी है broccoli भी खाए कहीं.
Yummy, gentlemen. Some Chinese stuff. Try some naan. Naan.
Mama, I'm full.
Okay, eat some broccoli with rice. Broccoli तो खाओ.
मैं rice खाया कैसा
Like,
I'm full.
Ibrahim, you want to eat rice?
Flying airport. Civil airport.
my money high with me.
Here you
I
go.
will go.
You want to eat? आकर. मुझे थोड़ा सा.
Avari Hotel, Sindh, Karachi. Late lunch or early bird dinner, whatever you call it. This is my prawn masala, chicken fried rice, some kind of Chinese chicken, naan, raita, salad. Hit like and subscribe my video. Okay, this is my shrimp masala, at Avari Hotel, Sindh, Pakistan. And try some shrimp masala. There we go. Let's try the shrimp. And the shrimp. All is good. Fresh and perfectly cooked. Not overcooked. Perfect shrimp.
And then I'm going to apple.
At the Avari Hotel, Karachi, we just ordered some tea and we got some complimentary cookies. And this is the pool area. And this is the hotel. Avari Hotel, Karachi. Nice place. If you're a smoker, come down here at the pool, have your cold beer, smoke your cigarettes, take a dip. Fun. Come sit over here in the shade. I'll pay it cash. इसको जरा छाँव में कर दें टेबल को. Put it in auto. आमना भी तो शुरू कहीं टहनी बचपन से ही.
a tower over there.
Now go jump in the pool. Where are you going? Avari Hotel, Sindh, Karachi. Late lunch or early bird dinner, whatever you call it. This is my prawn masala, chicken fried rice, some kind of Chinese chicken, naan, raita, salad. Hit like and subscribe my video. Okay, this is my shrimp masala at Avari Hotel, Sindh, Pakistan. I'm gonna try some shrimp masala. There we go. Let's try the shrimp. And the shrimp. Out of water. Fresh and perfectly cooked. Not overcooked. Perfect shrimp. Okay guys, now I'm heading downstairs to have breakfast. Complimentary breakfast. There's the hotel lobby. 16th floor. Elevators. We're sitting at Avari Hotel, Karachi, having our complimentary breakfast buffet. That's Khadija over there. Ibrahim. Eating cereals. Apple juice. Yeah, I'll go there. Mama trying to open butter unsuccessfully. Some eggs, toast, mango juice. And look at the pool. Nice garden. Nice pool.
And there's an X on the pool, see?
Yep. All of the pigeons drinking water out of it. I hope they don't put a lot of chlorine in it.